If you're an artist trying to improve your skills, someone looking to expand your general knowledge about drawing, or even a beginner searching for a video to help you choose the right tools, then you've definitely experienced the confusion of picking the right medium. Every drawing medium has its own personality. Some are soft and flexible, some sharp and strong, some perfect for fine details, while others produce bold textures and dramatic effects. That's why choosing the right medium isn't a random step. It's an essential part of shaping your artistic style over time. So in this video, you'll learn everything you need before buying the materials that best fit you and your level, no matter what it is. In this video, you'll discover a clear explanation of each medium, the ideal uses for it, its advantages and disadvantages, tips for choosing the right medium for you as an artist, behind the scenes, why results vary from one medium to another. Let's begin. What are graphite pencils? When we talk about drawing materials, we must start with the most important and widely used medium among artists worldwide. Graphite pencils are not just tools for sketching or writing notes, they're a complete medium that you can use to create a full artwork from start to finish. The great thing about graphite pencils is that they come in a wide range of softness and hardness levels, allowing every artist to choose the grade that suits their style, whether they prefer light, gentle shading or deep, rich dark tones. These grades range from 8H, the hardest, to 9B, the softest. Each grade directly affects line thickness, shading depth, and smoothness. That's why many artists don't rely on just one pencil. Instead, they use a full set to capture every tiny detail of their imagination on paper. Where can you use graphite pencils? Because graphite pencils are extremely versatile, they work for many types of drawing, whether you're a beginner trying simple lines or a professional creating a highly realistic portrait drawing with soft shading. Graphite is perfect for portraits because it gives you full control over shadow intensity, smooth transitions, skin texture, hair details, and facial features. Realism and studying light and shadow. If your goal is to understand light and how it reflects off objects, graphite is the best medium. It lets you focus on value, depth, and shadow without worrying about color. Quick sketches. Graphite makes inspiration moments easy. You can finish a quick sketch in a minute, no preparation or extra tools needed. That's why pencils are a favorite for all artists. Landscape drawing. Yes, you can create full landscapes with graphite, especially if you enjoy fine textures like tree bark, distant foliage, or rocks. Underdrawing before using color or charcoal. No professional artist starts a charcoal or colored artwork immediately. The first step is always a simple graphite sketch because it's the easiest to correct and adjust. Why are graphite pencils essential? Extremely easy and flexible to use. All you need is paper and a pencil, perfect for beginners entering the art world, clean and mess-free compared to charcoal or pastel. If you dislike mess or enjoy drawing anywhere, graphite is ideal. No dust, no smudging like colors, high level of control. Your control over pressure allows you to create countless values from light to dark, something most mediums can't offer. Perfect for fine details. Hair, eyelashes, eye highlights, fabric texture. Graphite is excellent for intricate details, affordable and accessible. You don't need expensive tools to create strong artwork. A good pencil and suitable paper are enough, easy to erase and correct. One of the biggest advantages, your mistakes are not permanent. You can adjust freely, which encourages you to start without fear. When can graphite pencils be limiting? Only produce grayscale. Great for practice and value studies, but not for colored artwork. Cannot achieve deep blacks like charcoal. If you want dramatic contrast, graphite, even the softest B grades, can't match charcoal's intensity. Paper quality affects the result. Too smooth paper won't hold graphite well. Too rough and it might create unwanted grain, shine effect in high B grades. Very soft B pencils can create a shiny surface under light, which may affect realistic portraits. In the end, graphite pencils are the backbone of every artist, beginner or professional. They're flexible, easy to control, and give you vast space to improve your line work, shading, and understanding of light. But like any medium, they have their limits. They can't give you charcoal's deep blacks or the richness of colored mediums. What is charcoal? When we talk about the medium that gives a drawing strength, drama, and a striking visual impact, we're talking directly about charcoal. Charcoal is an extremely rich black medium known for being soft, flexible, and easy to spread on paper. It comes in different forms, including pencils, thick sticks, and powder for covering large areas. Each type has its own character, but ultimately they all give the same feeling, a sense of power, depth, and heavy shadows that no other medium can achieve. Charcoal isn't just a drawing material, it's a means of expression. You'll always find it in works that convey movement, emotion, or aim to immerse you in light and shadow. Charcoal transforms a plain white sheet of paper into a stage filled with a visual struggle between light and darkness. When to use charcoal? Dramatic portraits. If your goal is to make a portrait powerful, with deep blacks and intense highlights, charcoal is the best choice because it presents features in a theatrical and impactful way. Large drawings with broad areas. Charcoal spreads quickly and covers large areas in little time, making it perfect for big drawings or backgrounds that need fast shading. Modern artistic expression. Charcoal encourages movement and spontaneity. Many artists use it in modern styles and abstract works where emotion matters more than precision. Abstract drawing. Charcoal handles motion and strong sketching well, making it ideal for works with random lines or free-form compositions, emphasizing strong light and deep shadow. If you want to amplify the contrast between light and shadow, charcoal's deep black color achieves this easily and impressively. Why charcoal is a powerful medium? Extremely strong black that creates dramatic effects. No other medium matches charcoal's depth of black, especially when creating dark backgrounds or dense shadow areas, produces very high contrast. The transition between white and black is sharp and clear, giving the artwork a powerful visual impact. Easy to blend and smooth. Charcoal spreads effortlessly, and you can use your finger, a tissue, or a blending brush to create soft and quick transitions, perfect for large drawings. You can cover huge areas in very little time. Quick coverage for dark areas. You don't need a lot of time to reach the deep tones you want, making it excellent for time-limited projects. Disadvantages when charcoal can be challenging. Very messy and smudges almost everything. Charcoal can stain your hands, clothes, and desk, which annoys many artists. Difficult for fine details. Charcoal produces strong results, but small details like eyelashes or fine hair are harder to control than pencil. Requires a fixative. Without a fixative, the drawing can smudge with the slightest touch, which is risky for works with subtle gradations, not ideal for absolute beginners. It requires understanding pressure, blending, and controlling the mess, so it's not the best choice for someone just starting out. What are charcoal pencils? Charcoal pencils are the more disciplined and controlled version of raw charcoal. You could say they aim to combine the best of both worlds, the deep black intensity of charcoal with the precise control of a pencil. That's why charcoal pencils are a smart choice for artists who love the look of charcoal but want cleaner lines, more control, and less mess. The pencil is encased in wood, just like a regular pencil, making it much easier to use than raw charcoal, which breaks or smudges easily. At the same time, it retains the strength and deep tonal range that make charcoal stand out from other mediums. When to use charcoal pencils? More precise portrait drawing than raw charcoal. Charcoal pencils let you create finer hair strands, clearer lines, and more controlled details, things that are very difficult to achieve with regular charcoal. Smooth shading similar to charcoal but with better control. You can blend easily without the mess that comes with raw charcoal, blending for light and delicate areas. If you want to use charcoal in only certain areas, like the eyes, nose, or facial edges, charcoal pencils are the ideal choice. What makes charcoal pencils special? Higher control than regular charcoal. Holding a fixed pencil instead of a loose chunk of charcoal gives you much greater precision, less prone to breaking. Unlike raw charcoal, which breaks under the slightest pressure, charcoal pencils are stronger and better suited for long drawing sessions, deeper tones than regular pencils. If you want rich black tones without switching to raw charcoal, they provide an excellent middle ground. Disadvantages: things to be aware of. Difficult to erase. Charcoal pencils aren't as easy to erase as graphite, and sometimes traces remain no matter how hard you try. Require textured paper. To grip well, they need rough or textured paper. Smooth paper makes the pencil slip and prevents proper shading. Require fixative in the end. Same as raw charcoal, any medium containing charcoal should be fixed to prevent smudging or losing detail. That's it for today's overview of graphite and charcoal, including their pencils and how each medium can transform your artwork. In the next part of this video, I'll cover the rest of the drawing materials and make a full comparison so you can see which one truly fits your style and needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode.